Besties, it is time to stuff some cash envelopes. Let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope that I say something on today's video that will encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know anytime I do upload a new video. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, let's get into it. So I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the second, or from the second paycheck in the month of February. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, I did get my nails done. I am so happy and excited, you guys. Like, my nails really do just do something to me and for me, okay? So today I am going to be stuffing a total of $463. So I'm opening up my budget workbook here, and let's see how this money is going to be distributed between the envelopes here. Yeah, 463. So I am using the Budget Moms cash envelope. Well, I'm using the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck workbook, and I use the digital version so that I can put it in my Happy Planner. I do have videos about how I do this, but you can find this on her website, and I'll link that down below. So I'm just gonna put this over here to the side so that I know how much money is going to which envelope. And let's start here by counting the money to make sure it's all here. You guys, this is my first time getting coffin. I don't know if this is supposed to be oval, but it definitely kind of feels like stiletto. But anyway, this is my first time getting this. I wanted to do something different, and I hope you guys like them. We'll see. I just need to make sure that I can type, because I do type for work. And as long as I can type, I think I will continue to explore with this shape. So $463 is what we need to make sure we have here. So this is a total of $463 that I am going to be stuffing with. And we're going to be starting with my daily envelopes. This is the money that I carry with me daily. And the categories that I have in here are a couple different categories. We'll go over this just in case you're looking for some ideas on what envelopes you can carry with you. So first I'm gonna need to do some unstuffing. So I don't have anything in my grocery envelope, which I actually, for the daily envelopes, I need to go back to my paycheck budget for the first paycheck in February, and I need to write how much money I spent in each category. You guys, I have been watching the Recetessa, I think that's how you pronounce the name of the girl who has the series on TikTok called Who Did I Marry? I had to cut it off because I'm like, okay, I gotta record. But you guys, I really hope she gets like a Netflix deal, a Lifetime deal, BET deal. She needs some kind of deal for us to be able to see this situation played out. Like, I don't care if it's a play. Like, if you guys have not seen that, Recitessa on TikTok, look it up. It's called Who the F Did I Marry? And it is like a 40-something part series. Totally crazy. It reminds me of that Netflix series of the girl who lived like a fancy lifestyle, but she was really broke. What was that? Oh my, her name was something Delvey. I can't think of the name, but anyway, it's on Netflix, and I watched that movie like 3 times because it was so fascinating to me. But that's exactly what it reminds me of. Yeah, crazy. Check it out, you guys, if you have not already. So I did spend $150 in groceries. So I'm just going to document that here. And then for household, let's see if I have any money left. I do have some money left in household. And I have $2 left. So I usually would use other ink. I guess I should, right? To stay consistent. I'm gonna break out. It must be in here. My green pen must be in here. Yeah, my green and my red one. Okay, here we go. Whoops, we're gonna let that stay on the floor for now. So this was 48 bucks. And then in the toiletries envelope, I have left $4 in the toiletries envelope. So that was 46. And then I have some coins in here. I need to get my coin jar so I can put these coins in there. We're just gonna leave that like that for a moment. And I did not have anything else in any of these envelopes. Now for gas, let's see, I have my receipts here, which I need to take out. And I have some receipts in here. I do save my receipts so that I can scan them. I am scanning these receipts in the Fetch Rewards app. I really love this app. It's a free app that you can download. Once you scan your receipt, you get bonus points, or you get points basically, and you can cash those points in for gift cards. I use my gift cards for all of my luxury purchases from Nordstrom. I always get Nordstrom gift cards. I think it's a pretty dope app. And if you use my code downloading it, then you will get bonus points, and I will get bonus points as well when you scan your first receipt. So check it out, guys. It is really the truth. So as it relates to my gas, I will need to add up how much money I did spend in gas. I know that I didn't spend the entire budgeted amount because I was pretty much at home with my gorgeous granddaughter, and so I didn't travel much. So I am going to calculate how much money I spent in gas, and then I'll be right back. Actually, I did go over 120.67. I went over by 67 cents. One of the gas places that I went to, I didn't go to Costco, and you can see I spent $76.01 at this gas station that I had to go to. The gas was like super high. Metro lanes, I believe that the Metro lanes was $100, so this was definitely over budget. And then daughter's Valentine's Day gift, I did not get her anything for Valentine's Day because she gave me something for Valentine's Day. All right, so that's everything for my daily wallet. So I'm gonna go back to cash envelope sheet there. I am gonna need to take these coins and put them up. Give me a moment. So I use this coin pouch that I got from Amazon to house all of my coins. At one point in time, I was doing the coin challenge, and I still have kind of like a bucket of coins, but to be honest with you, I just don't have a desire at this moment to continue with that challenge. So I do put all my coins in here, and anytime I'm at the grocery store, I will use my coins or wherever I am spending cash to make sure that I don't have to always break my dollar bills. So I am going to first be stuffing my grocery envelope, which is $150. And this is 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. And this is going into the grocery envelope. I need another grocery envelope, but I'll make it one day. Next is eating out, and this is not going to be getting anything. Household is going to be getting $60. And then toiletries is going to be getting $60 as well, I believe. Yes. I need some new skincare products. Bad. Because right now, I'm like out. And I mean like skincare for my face. Totally out. And then nothing else for my daily envelope. So this is it. Next up is my sinking funds binder. And in this binder, I am going to be stuffing my car registration, which is $13. This is where I am saving money to pay for my car registration in September, which it'll probably be around $300 or something like that. So it's $13 per paycheck that I need to save. Next up is trash, and my trash is due once per quarter. So I save a little bit at a time so that I will have the money ready to pay for that bill when it comes about. So I have $80 here. And the bill is $108 per quarter. I do want to eventually get to the point where I pay it for the whole year. Car wash is not going to get anything, even though it needs to, because it's been raining in sunny Southern California. Next, giveaways. We are going to be having our 50K giveaway. I've decided what I want to do and what I want to give away. So thank you guys so much for, just being patient. But we're gonna have it soon. I already know what I want to give away, and that's that. Reward. I know that I haven't been contributing to this envelope. I need to, because I need to reward myself, honey. Debt. This will be paid out of my side hustle. Costco is going to be getting $5. My Costco membership fee, the renewal is due in March, so I'll be paying this soon. It is $60, so let's see how much money I have here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $45. So looks like I am gonna need to put in $15 to make the 60 bucks. Next is AAA. And AAA is going to be getting $20. This is also due, and I think my AAA is a total of $170. I have the bill right there or something. So let's see how much money I have here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. Oh, good. Oh, yes. So I'm not going to have to contribute that much to the AAA bill. Excited about that. So this is everything for my sinking funds binder. So last but not least is my savings challenge binder. And for the first, I hope that my stuff is not crooked because I don't know what my camera is doing, but everything looks like it's like shifted this way. So I really hope that's not the case. So for my savings challenge, the 52 week is going to get $80, which is a 50, a 20, and a 10. A 50, a 20, and a 10. So I'm going to get just a marker here. I'll just grab the marker. And so 45 plus 35, let me make sure it's correct. 45 plus 35 equals 80. So we are staying on track. And I'm super excited about that because I really want to make sure that I am contributing to this. The first time that I did this, it was not as consistent as it has been. So I'm really excited that I'm on track. We do have extra amounts here where I can contribute $75. And usually I take whatever money is left over and I add it into my savings challenge. But since this is only $6, I am going to put it in my savings envelope that I have here. So let me just open this really quick and I'm just gonna add it to what I already have in this envelope. And I'm not gonna count anything, I'm just gonna leave it there and I will count it up at some other point in life. All right, and then the last envelope that I am going to be contributing to for this savings challenge is going to be $55, and it's a 50 and a 5, and I believe the $55 is the $25 here. And I think it was the 25 and the 30. Yeah, 55. So it was the 25 and the 30 that I'm contributing to, because I choose a circle every week, save the amount. So every 2 weeks I would choose 2 circles. So that's the 50 and the 5. And that is going into my February envelope. So we are done with February. And that is it for the envelopes that I am stuffing today. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Once again, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you guys do subscribe to the channel. We will be having our 50K live very soon, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah.